Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today for dinner I'm cooking chicken and rice stir fry. So I'm just adding oil in a large pan. Make sure the oil is nice and hot. So now I'm going to cook my chicken. So I've got chicken here that is cut into small pieces. I'm just going to brown the chicken. So just seasoning my chicken with black pepper, and paprika. It's a teaspoon or so. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Now I'm going to brown my chicken. So I'm looking for a nice golden brown color here, guys. So I've seasoned my chicken with salt and pepper and paprika. That's a simple seasoning. Alright guys, I'm going to push this aside and add garlic and onion. So about 5 cloves of garlic and 1 small onion. Going to cook this. Alright, now I'm going to push this aside and add some veggies, capsicum and broccoli, cabbage and carrot. Just cook this, guys, together with the chicken. I'm just going to cook this until the veggies are a little bit soft. I'm pushing the other side, pushing the veggies and the chicken aside. So now I'm going to add my eggs. So I'm going to add about 3 eggs. Now I'm going to cook my eggs. Alright guys, my eggs are cooked. So now I'm going to add 1 day old rice. I'm going to add my rice. It's a day old rice. So about 2 cups of cooked rice. So I'm just going to mix everything, guys. Mix this thoroughly. While this is, I'm going to add soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Let's mix this very well.